Yo, what's up guys? CJ nga pala. And as you guys can see, panibagong itsura men, panibagong haircut, and panibago na namang araw. And I thank God for giving me this another day, another opportunity to live. And all glory to God. So, what I wanted to talk about today is parang life thought lang talaga na as you guys can see on the title, everything is just a phase. And what I mean is that everything you experience is a constant experience na mararanasan mo. What I mean is like lahat ng napagdadaanan mo ngayon, lahat ng na-experience mo ngayon is just a phase na nalilipas rin. Lahat ng nararamdaman mo, lahat ng mga kaibigan mo, lahat ng relationship mo is just going to be a phase, and hindi mo na yan marirelive ever again. And I think yung ultimate conclusion dito is when you die, you will not be able to live those moments, to be able to know these people. And I do think life itself is just a phase, and everything in it is just a phase. So for example, inom ako ng kape, bababa ko yan, hindi ko na siya iniinom. So naging phase lang yung pag-iinom ko ng kape. And then inom ako ng water bottle kasi ang pait, di ba? Inom ako ng tubig, bababa ko yan. It's just a phase, tapos na yan. I feel like my hands are dirty, so mag-alcohol ako. Phase na lang siya. So lahat ng ginagawa mo sa buhay mo is just a phase, or lahat ng nararanasan mo or yung mga mararanasan mo is just a phase. Itong paggawa ko ng video is just a phase. So everything is a phase, and everything shall pass, and your life itself shall pass din. So I do think lahat ng ginagawa mo, lahat ng nararanasan mo, lahat ng mapagdadaanan mo, is all just a phase. It is also a coping mechanism na ginamit ko rin dati na nakatulong sa akin. Yung experience ko dito is when my grandma died, yung lola ko. And at that time, I was in a state of pure sadness, pure depression, and I was feeling so much pain since nakita ko rin siyang unti-unting nawala sa through video call. And that really hurt me kasi I got to experience that, And then nung time na yon, when I saw my grandma slowly passing away, hanggang sa nag-pass away na siya. At that moment, I felt that okay, tapos na, my grandma's gone, and I will never be able to, to feel her again, or to like be with her again, or like maramdaman yung presensya niya. I was in a lot of fear, I was, syempre kung ikaw ba naman na makikita mo live na slowly nawawala-wala na yung kaluluwa ng loved one mo. Syempre in that state, nasa state ka ng desperation, nasa state ka ng fear, nasa state ka ng anxiety. And kapag dumating na yung moment na nawala na yung taong yun, you will feel this constant change na okay, they're gone. I will never be able to see her again. At that time, I already accepted it, na para sa akin, wala nang sense na may babalik ko siya, even though na I still wanted to see her, na I still want to be able to hug her, to spend more time with her. At that time, in-accept ko na I will never be able to bring her back. And that's just how life is. So, at that time, in-accept ko na, and it was just a phase, na parang tinanggap ko na lang na phase yung time na I was being so anxious, desperate, and takot na takot akong mawala yung grandma ko. And then nung nangyari na yung moment na yun, napunta ako sa situation na wala na diba? Wala na. I will not be able to bring her back. When she passed away, syempre meron kaming wake, and at that time, when I finally got to see her in person, I cried again. I suddenly felt this feeling again na masakit, na hindi ko na siya makikita ulit. Hindi ko na siya makakausap, diba? And then I just felt this painful feeling na hindi ko na siya, na knowing na hindi ko na siya makikita. For those 2 weeks, I just felt this pain na wala na talaga siya. Pero knowing na nandun pa yung katawan niya, syempre it still hurts me kasi parang physically andyan pa rin yung imahe ng lola ko. But then nung day na ililibing na siya, that's the time where I finally accepted na I was never going to be able to see her again. yun na yung time na in-accept ko na hindi ko na talaga siya makikita for good. And yun yung time na nilibing siya. Hindi ko na-realize na it was just a phase. Hanggang sa nakapag-move on na, na syempre natanggap na namin, buong pamilya namin, natanggap na namin. We will never be able to see her again. We will never be able to feel her again. The realization na she was just a phase of our life. Kaya yung ibig kong sabihin sa everything is just a phase. Na lahat ng mararanasan mong experience sa buhay mo is just a phase. Na lahat ng yan malalagpasan mo. Na lahat ng yan mapagsasanayan mo. Whether it's your stressful job, whether it's a grief or of losing someone. Anything na alam mong temporary lang. You will be able to realize that soon. Na lahat ng yan is phase lang. And then until the day you die, mo marirealize na naging phase lang yung pagkabuhay mo. And you will never be able to live again. You will never be able to remember everything that you have done in this world. Kaya in a sense, yung parang philosophy ko is parang mabuhay ka na malaya ka. Mabuhay ka na wala kang nire-regret. Na ibigay mo lahat ng kaya mo sa buhay mong to kasi you only live once, and don't waste it by worrying, don't waste it by living a fake life, don't waste it by doing things na sa tingin mong makakasira sa'yo. Kaya I just think that people have to embrace some type of philosophy na makakapag-go on sa buhay nila, na makakatulong sa flow ng buhay nila. Have some type of coping mechanism na sa tingin mong makakatulong sa'yo in a good way, na makakapag-create ng meaning and makakapag-create ng value and purpose ng buhay mo. And I think this is kind of why I am doing this right now is because ayokong i-regret. Kapag namatay na ako, ayokong i-regret. Kasi totally hindi ko naman talaga mare-regret kasi wala na akong sense of regret. Kasi patay na nga ako. Ang pangit na isipin na hindi ko nagawa yung mga bagay na gusto ko nung buhay pa ako. Pero ngayong patay na ako, wala na akong chance para gawin yung mga bagay na yun. Just do what you wanna do. So, make a difference, Gawin mo lang yung mga gusto mong gawin. Gawin mo lang yung kakasaya mo. Gawin mo lang yung sa tingin mo makakapagpasaya ng mga tao, yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Gawin mo lang talaga lahat ng gusto mong gawin. Bigyan mo ng purpose yung buhay mo. So, yun yung philosophy ko for today. And yun lang yung gusto kong pag-usapan. And so, medyo inconsistent yung pagsasalita ko at yung pagde-deliver ko ng thoughts. Pero I had no regrets on doing this video. And to be able to put it out there, alam ko naman na matutuwa ako. Matutuwa ako na nagawa ko tong video na to. Na nakagawa ko ng something na ikakasaya ko. So, and like I said, ayoko sayangin yung buhay ko na nag-worry ako, na may inaalala ko, or ayoko sayangin yung buhay ko na nagiging anxious ako. Ayoko sayangin yung buhay ko na lagi akong may regret. And that is why I made this video. Is to be able to express myself through the internet, to be able to be seen, to be able to be heard. Ayun, masaya lang talaga ako na ginagawa ko to. And I know na magkakaroon rin ako ng experiences, kasi lahat ng to is just a phase. So, yun lang. And hopefully, may natutunan kayo ngayon. Kung wala, di pakialam ko sa iyo lang. Pero yun nga, CJ ulit. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.